What does this symbol actually mean? It's not a button we click to find the answer. The equal sign is actually a phrase in a sentence that talks about two things. Today, we're going to talk about similar symbols used to make correct statements. Make sure you get to the end of this video to see how they apply to real-life situations. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Math Marvel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's start writing statements using the equal sign. Many read this sign as the answer is. A child can read this statement as a question. This is wrong. The correct way to read this sign is simply equals. It represents equality, meaning that the value of what is on one side is the same as the value of what is on the other side. We can better understand the equal sign by counting. The count of green apples equals the count of red apples. The count of red and green apples equals the count of oranges. The count of red and green apples equals the count of oranges and lemons. Any expression can be placed on both sides of the equation as long as the equal sign is satisfied. We don't always use the equal sign in comparing numbers. This symbol reads is not equal to, is unequal to, or does not equal. When we say that one quantity does not equal another quantity, it means that they do not have the same value. The count of red apples does not equal the count of green apples. The weight of a pineapple is not equal to the weight of a watermelon. The height of Eleanor is not equal to the height of Alice. When two values are unequal, one is greater than or less than the other. The symbol for these phrases in math looks like V on its side. An easy way to read these symbols is by putting dots on the symbol. Two dots are greater than one dot. One dot is less than two dots. Two dots always face the bigger number, and one dot always points to the smaller number. Let's do a trial. We place 2 on the left side and 1 on the right. 4 is greater than 3. We place 1 dot on the left and 2 dots on the right. 5 is less than 7. Sometimes a number is less than or equal to. A number can also be greater than or equal to. Let's understand this with the help of real-life situations. A jar holds 100 jelly beans. If you accidentally spilled it on a table, we can say that the number of spilled jelly beans is less than 100. Or, if you spilled all, the number of spilled jelly beans equals 100. These two mathematical statements can be combined in one single statement. To form the less than or equal to symbol, we add an extra line at the bottom of the less than symbol. The number of spilled jelly beans is less than or equal to 100. Let's examine another real-life situation. A sign in a carnival says that a person must be at least 54 inches to ride a roller coaster. That means that a person's height should be greater than 54 or equal to 54 inches to ride the roller coaster. Likewise, we form the greater than or equal to symbol by adding an extra line below the greater than symbol. The height of the person must be greater than or equal to 54 to ride the roller coaster. Thanks for watching, guys! Now that you know the meaning of these symbols, watch my next video to learn how to order numbers and identify the greatest and least in a given set of numbers. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about comparing numbers, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer that question. See you in my next video.